Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you some common dock maintenance tasks for the iRobot Roomba Combo 2 Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll start with the most obvious task first. That's going to be changing the vacuum bag. That's what you'll do most frequently. So go ahead, you can remove the old one and then install your new one in reverse order. And if for some reason you have trouble, they even have instructions built into the top for future reference. If we remove the vacuum bag, we actually have a removable top cap there with a little mesh wire screen. So you can maintain this too to make sure that there's no debris built up there. Grab some compressed air, you can wipe this down, dump it over depending on if you have anything building up here at the bottom. And then our channel right here, you can put your finger in there, you can wipe that down or feel for any obstructions. Speaking of obstructions, at the underside here, they have 5 Phillips head screws you can remove if you have any clogs or obstructions in the channel down below. You can clean and maintain that as needed. Now looking at the very front, you'll notice we have our removable cover. You can wash and rinse this as needed. Also keep an eye on the charging contacts, make sure they're clean and clear. And here's the channel again that you could reach in and remove any obstructions. You can remove the bottom and you can wipe that down periodically. And then lastly, on the right-hand side in the corner, if you're looking at it from the front, we have this little mesh grill down here. So keep an eye on that too. Use compressed air if you notice any clogs or things along those lines and keep that free from being blocked or obstructed. It's a small and simple station that's really self-sufficient.